Hey everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we're going to look at the Greenworks Pro 80 volt 730 CFM jet blower. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and if you like this video, please help me out with thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Welcome back, folks. So today we're going to look at a very special product. It's the jet blower from Greenworks Pro. And this one has some extra because it's from Costco. It has a 2 amp hour battery with charger and also a shoulder strap in the package as well. And also it has an 8-year warranty, 4 years on the base unit warranty and 4-year extended guarantee. All right, so that's the Costco member advantage. So that's another part number, I guess, in particular. This is a Greenworks Pro 8 volt 730 CFM, and it's equivalent to 27 cc gas blower, and also it's a 45-minute run rate. Airspeed is 170 miles per hour. So another thing about this unit, it comes with two nozzles, the end nozzle and the one in the middle. I don't know what you call the one in the middle, but it attaches to the unit. Variable speed with cruise control, that's what it's mentioned. There's like a lock over there. And you also have a turbo mode for maximum performance and airflow. Also, it has a brushless motor as well. Let me see if I can show you that over here. Brushless motor and provides more power and runtime. Okay, it provides the best power to weight ratio in the industry. So that's what the unit is advertised for, the Greenworks Pro 80 volt 730 CFM. This one's made in Vietnam. The model number is BLB489. Okay, if you decide to buy it from Amazon, you can option it out. It's about $170. If you buy from Costco, it comes with a 2 amp hour battery, charger, and also the shoulder straps for to hold the unit. All right. So that's something that's a little bit extra that they include, and it's about $220 or so, plus tax, of course. Yes, this unit uses lithium-ion batteries, so keep that in mind. So be gentle with those batteries, because lithium-ion, you need to store it in a good location, So there's some manuals when you unbox it over here. You probably want to read through these for the safety and how to use the units. So I'm not going to go in details in this over here. Charging, the batteries, and such. All right, so once you open the box over here, which is minimal packaging, thank you, less waste, and you're gonna get the batteries over here. So the battery number 1 is over here, and it's pretty heavy battery, in fact, and you also have the charger. So the battery and the charger, which is great. Here you got the nozzle over here for the end piece. You decide if you need it. Okay, and this is the attachment. The attachment over here. Alright, so this is the blower, of course, and it's pretty lightweight overall. Okay, so here you get the shoulder strap and also the second battery. So just a summary again, just some repeating. You got the 2 batteries, the charger, and the shoulder straps. Those are extra in the package deal. And so that's it. That's all is included. Just a summary, right? You got a lot of freebies, I guess, but it's actually baked into the price, and it's a package deal. So you still get these, the nozzle and attachment if you buy the barrel tool, and I'm sure you're gonna probably get the manual and also the blower itself, of course, right? So the Amazon one, and you could package the way you want it. The Costco one is pre-packaged and as a package bundle deal. So all you need to do is turn on your scale and zero out and put the battery on there. And that comes to the 3.1 pounds overall. And the 3.1 pounds is for a battery. Notice that it does has the fan in there, all right? And it's only charged a little bit. So that's my charger over here. So I probably need to charge them fully before I can use them. So keep that in mind. There's nothing to set up on the charger. Everything is attached already, so that's a good thing.
Put it back together.
So usually when you put the battery into the unit, you slide into this orientation and push it in. All right. So I'm gonna weigh the unit without the battery, and it comes out to be about 6 pounds. Okay, give or take a little bit, right? So with the battery and everything, it's about 10 pounds. 9.9 is 10 pounds. Just gonna round it off a little bit. So the shoulder strap is an advantage if you really use it. Otherwise, it's not really useful at all. So to attach it, you just put this little piece over here, enclosure. This is the nozzle piece. Pretty much for looks more than anything else, And make sure that notches it. Otherwise, it may fall off. A lot of uses for this blower. You actually blow the water off your car, but make sure the end piece. Now I mentioned before, the battery is not fully charged. So I'm not sure you're going to get a different answer in terms of power if it's fully charged. Notice there's a connector on the bottom, so you need to put it in exactly the same way. And the weight of this unit altogether is not heavy at all. It's very good weight distribution overall. More heavy on the end side. Yes, there's also a shoulder strap over here. You clip it over here. Then just like that, then you have it ready to use. So some people may not use the shoulder strap at all. So I'm going to show you a little bit how to use the unit. So it's a trigger and also a lock, which is the main components. And you want turbo, you hit the button on top. So this is how it looks like. Everything is fully assembled, and also the shoulder harness attached to the clip already. It's not that big of a unit overall. Yes, it's plastic, but it's not cheap plastic. Like you drop it, it's completely broken or something like that. So if you squeeze the trigger and hold that button, and you can hit the turbo mode. So turbo, you want a little extra boost. So you just leave it on that mode. It actually holds the trigger for you. So when you finish, you have to unlock it like that. So that's how you approach that. So release the trigger and unlock it like that. Okay, so we're gonna do a little demo, but before I do that, I'm gonna show you a few other things over here. This unit over here, it doesn't look like a really big unit, but definitely worthwhile in most household needs, like leaves, blowing water off your car, or maybe blowing the vents, maybe the dryer vent, in the house or stuff like that. Shoulder straps is optional, I guess. Alright, so a little demo over here. Notice that it blows the leaves but doesn't blow the rocks or anything like that in particular. Pretty good power. You can hear the sound change. That's when I hit the turbo button. It does this enough power and convenience that you don't need a corded one or a gas one. The gas one is really meant for professional landscapers or something like that. So you don't need something like that. You need something that does this job in particular. So this one could be a lot of different applications altogether. So to charge it, you can't really go long. Just put it into the charger. It only goes in one way on the orientation. It only goes in one way as well too. So notice there's some holes on the end over here. Those are for the battery to breathe and also the fan to blow. So when it gets hot, it needs those vents. So don't tape it up or anything like that in particular. That could damage the battery life. So that's something to note. Alright, so those are, open part. You can plug it in to the connector. So that part is open. Notice that I'm starting out with a little charge on this unit. Plug it into the outlet. It only goes in one way. And it's going to be blinking, 3 different levels. And it's going to take a while. It took me about 45 minutes to charge both of them, plus or minus like a few minutes. So when it's blinking green, that means it's good. It's red, there's some kind of problem charging. But when it's charging, you can see the levels change, right? Level 1 is solid right now, it seems like. It's charging level 2 right now. So it takes a while. So like you the fan, yes, there's a little fan noise as well too. Pros and cons. Pros is actually really good price overall, and very simple to use product. So this product, Greenworks Pro, is very easy to use. The quality looks really good. You know, it's lightweight and it has enough power in most cases, in most applications. The con maybe is the name's not that well known and we don't know how long this thing will last. Right? Yes, the fan is a little bit loud when you're charging it, so maybe you don't want to do it when you're sleeping or something like that, sleeping nighttime. So something to keep in mind. Would I buy this unit overall? Yeah, I think it's a great unit to purchase for light, not heavy duty chores. Okay, so it's going to be charging like 45 minutes like I said. Oh yes, this unit has a 45-minute run rate, but I don't think it's the turbo specs. I have to test it out more before I give you the info on that. When it's all solid and the bars on top, that means it's fully charged. Never mind the blinking green light. It's okay to unplug over here. That means you're done. If you made this far in the video, you liked the video, please help me with a thumbs up. If you have a comment to share, please leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.